Well, Hisashiburi desu, long time no see. We haven't really been doing much, just the park and the grocery store, but we're doing something today, so come on. We're going to Squamish today. There's a Thomas the Tank Engine thing happening for the kids. It's a full-size train, so we're renting an Evo and going out there for the day. Emma, are you excited? Well, we made it to Squamish. It's super rainy. We're at the BC Railway Museum and there's Thomas the Train here, so we're gonna go out there and ride it. Well, you can't spell train without rain.
No, not that.
That's the end of our day. It was really fun. I had fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you have fun, Emma? She's tired. Okay, bye.